If your Ryobi 18V lithium-ion battery suddenly won't charge, don't assume it's dead. These batteries have a built-in protection system called a battery management system that shuts charging down when voltage drops too low. That protection can make a healthy battery look defective, especially if you see a flashing red light on the charger. Start with simple fixes. Remove the battery and clean the metal terminals on both the pack and charger using a dry cloth or small brush. Dirt or oxidation can interrupt charging. Next, confirm you're using the correct charger and that the battery matches your tool's power demands. Some high-draw tools require higher capacity packs. If the battery has been sitting unused, place it on the charger for about 90 seconds to see if it wakes from sleep mode. If that doesn't work, you can try pulse charging by briefly inserting and removing the battery from the charger several times to trigger the charging circuit. Another option is jump-starting the battery using a working 1/8-volt battery or a DC power supply set to 18 volts at low current, carefully matching positive to positive and negative to negative. This can raise the voltage just enough for the charger to recognize it again. For advanced users only, opening the battery to test individual cells with a multimeter is possible, but it voids the warranty and carries safety risks. If you see 4 flashing lights, the pack may be in protection mode and require a circuit reset.